So today we'll be discussing with program 3 of Data Visualization Lab. So program 3 is creating a view, formatting charts, adding filters, creating calculated fields and defining parameters. So today everything we'll be doing. So let's go to Tableau, and then the file we are using is a text file which is the same as the first program, that is VG Sales. VG Sales stands for video game sales, by the way. So let's start with it. So let's directly go to sheet 1 and then drag year to columns and drag global sales as well as EU sales to rows. So you'll find two different graphs, but we need a single graph, so that we'll go to show me panel. We'll show all the different types of graphs. So let's go there and select this one. So you'll see like this will appear. So here it's looking like fully as if it is one thing, but let me change the size so you guys can see it properly. So now it's better. So now you can see it's different, like 1987, 88, 989, everything. So this was the first thing. And then we even saw that formatting charts, adding filters. So here in the first sheet itself, we'll add filter also. So we can add filter to year. So take it over here and then go to at least value. So here in range of values, what will happen? You can change both the front range and the back range, starting and ending. But at least value, you can only change the starting range, not the ending. So now I want only the starting range to change. So I'll be choosing 2000 to 2020. So now if I click on apply, see it got shifted by itself. So now it's from 2000 to 2020, apply and then OK. So you can see now the graph is changed. So this was the first part of the program, which was formatting charts. So now see, when I hover on it, you can even see like year, everything. So I want, like, I'll choose 2006. So right click on it. So when you right click, you'll find this dialog box. So here, click on annotate and then you can choose anything, mark, point or area. I'll choose mark. So here now, here let it be, here I'll be choosing 2006 and these things let it be as it is. Click on OK. So now you can see that here pointing to 2006 there's a dialog box made. So here like you can choose any other thing also, any other 2000, 2000, any other year, it's upon you. So this is called as annotation. So this was about formatting charts. Now second part is creating calculated fields. So now we'll be discussing with calculated fields. So let's go to sheet number 2. So to create calculated field, click on global sales, right click and then create from here calculated field. So name will be keeping as global sales minus EU sales. So which will also be the formula. So here already global sales is given. Good. Then click minus a box and E, as I typed E, there's only one E in my data set. So EU sales, click on it. See here it will show up the calculation is valid. So by chance if I was putting some other bracket, so it would show calculation contains errors. So it will also show column name missing square bracket. So now if I change it to square bracket, it's good to go. And then apply and then OK. So you'll see an extra global sales minus EU sales column is added. So now we'll be creating one more chart which contains year in columns, global sales minus EU sales in rows, as well as global sales. So it's two different charts. You can keep it like this also, but I'll change it to a bar chart form. Okay. Size will decrease the size so that we can understand. Okay, little fact. Yeah, this is better, I feel. Yeah. So let us sheet name, let's change it. Global say global sales, EU sales. Apply and okay. We'll even change the color of it. So just click on it, anyone, and then go to color, whichever color you like, you choose. So since this is blue, I'll choose this is pink because I don't know why I just like blue and pink together. So, so this was the second thing, that is formatting charts. Sorry, creating calculated fields. So whatever we created here, global sales minus EU sales was calculated field. So for the third part, we'll go to sheet 3, and then third part is defining parameters. So now we'll see what's a parameter. So for that, we'll go to sheet 3, and again for parameter, we'll go with genre. So right click on genre, again create, but here choose parameter. So parameter name, we'll keep it as select genre. So just type the name as select genre, let it be string as it is. And then for values, all no list when workbook opens. So instead of current value, all the values we have to select add values from genre. So all the values are added. If you want, you can remove any values, but I feel like let everything be, so I'm not removing anything. Here, if you want, you can click and add more also. So it's upon you. I'll be taking all the genres. So now click on OK. So here you can see a parameter select genre is created. So for this thing to work, we'll be creating one more calculated field of same genre. Right click on genre, create, and then calculated field. So for this name, we'll keep as sales by genre. Sales by genre. Here we'll give a conditional statement. So for that, everything should be caps. So if genre is equals to square brackets select genre, whatever we created, whatever name you gave, if it is not select genre also, whatever parameter name you created here, same name should be there. Select genre, then again come here, global sales, else 0 end. So it's pretty much like if else statement, if and then something you do and then else. So here again I gave the calculation as valid. So apply and okay. So you can see that sales by genre, a new field is created here. First it was not there. So now what will we do is drag year to columns and drag sales by genre to rows. So this thing you got. What is this? This is genre and everything. So now when you click on select genre, you just click on show parameter. So you can see action. So now I can change it to adventure. You can see the graphs changed. Now what I will do is this select genre, I'll put it on colors. So now color will get changed. Like fighting, this color, orange color. Yeah, similarly, misc, platform, different colors you'll get. So all of that you can do. I'll choose shooter. So shooter is teal color. So yeah, like that you can change to different genres. You can show, you can see how much it is. Like yeah, peak is at 2008. Or shooter peak is 2011. So yeah, like that. So this was the third part, which is defining parameters. So that's it with the third program. So sheet 1 was year, global sales, EU sales, everything. So in first one, we did nothing but formatting the chart. Second one, we created calculated field. Third part, we created a parameter. So that is it. Bye bye.